Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to access your gallery and how to use the save button. So right now I'll showing you that my gallery is usable, but if you just bought this device, your gallery wouldn't be usable. So you gotta go to settings, enable USB sharing, plug in your USB Type-C. Right now you go onto your PC, select the drive, format it, make sure it's on FAT, not anything else, because you'll mess things up, and add quick format so you don't wait. Just start and format complete. That is it. Now you can see that my gallery has been fully reset and it's actually usable. I couldn't use my gallery until I did this to my multimeter. And there is no error anymore when I save a photo. It used to say save failed. Right now, as you can see, I have a photo. Thank you for watching.